Hello everyone, today I will show you how to align text top and bottom in Google Spreadsheet. First select your text you want to align top and bottom. I'll select these three cells. I'll align this text top. Click on this particular align option and here we will find this top align option. So we select top align and see this all of these text are now top align. Also select this three cell. I'll align this bottom align and see this all of these text are now placed bottom, and also I select this three text and align this three on top and see this. In this way you can align all of this text top and bottom. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.